Hello, this is Sarmishra Naik, your audiologist. So, 5 tips to protect your hearing. Tip number 1, turn down the volume of your headphone. Your headphone can go up to 90 to 110 decibel, which can cause a temporary or permanent hearing loss. So, it is recommended to hear in less volume, and it's better to avoid putting earphones. Instead of putting earphones, you can try circumaural headphones. Tip number 2, take break from exposing to loud noises. Exposing to loud noises can cause a temporary hearing loss, but if you are continuously exposing to loud noises, then it may cause a permanent hearing loss. Tip number 3, keep a distance between yourself and loudspeaker. If you are in any event, the distance should be minimum 10 meters away from the loudspeaker. Tip number 4, use ear protection devices, that is EPDs, while